Hello coders, today we're going to be starting a brand new course, and I asked on the community tab here on YouTube as well as on Twitter what kind of package management system you would like me to teach. Would it be JavaScript in NPM? Should it be pip and Python? Or should it be Composer and PHP? Now I asked, you guys certainly answered, and on YouTube you said that 39% wanted JavaScript NPM, whereas 43% wanted PHP Composer, and only 17% wanted Python and pip. However, it's a different story here on Twitter. So on Twitter, you asked, or 30% of you asked for PHP Composer, and 40%, an extra 10% asked for JavaScript and NPM, whereas 30% just wanted Python and pip. So this puts me in a bit of an awkward position. Now, but bearing in mind that I'm going to eventually get to all of these anyway, it's just a question of which one do I do first. So I'm going to suggest doing JavaScript and NPM first. So this is the introduction to that course. So in this course, I'm going to be teaching the very basics and fundamentals of using NPM in your everyday front-end development. We're going to be installing NPM first, and then we're going to be exploring all the things that we can do with NPM, including but not limited to installing dependencies. And we're also going to be creating our own dependency, our own package, if you will. So this is the introduction of the JavaScript NPM course for beginners. This is a beginner-friendly course. It will teach you everything you need to know, the fundamentals of NPM, to use NPM in your everyday front-end JavaScript development. We're going to be first installing NPM on a Mac machine, but you could use a Linux machine. So we're going to be delving in the command line. We're also going to be exploring the different things that we can do with NPM, not only just install dependencies. And eventually we're going to get to the point where we are creating ourselves our own package. So I'm going to be exploring the JSON structure of the package.json file. So this is a very in-depth course, but it's a very beginner-friendly course, I feel. So welcome to the course. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you learn from it. Let me know your thoughts as we go along. Put your thoughts down in the comments section below. I will be getting to Python, pip, and PHP Composer eventually, so don't worry. I haven't forgotten those. They will just come later on. Thank you ever so much for watching. Do enjoy the tutorials, share them around. Thank you very much. Happy coding. Cheers. Bye.